struggling with low operational efficiency, resource underutilization, or unsustainable production costs. We conduct comprehensive operational assessments using globally recognized benchmarks and indicators of the best practices that include more than 1,000 global factories. At Berlin for Engineering GmbH, we provide high-impact engineering management consulting services tailored for industrial manufacturers. Our core expertise lies in diagnosing inefficiencies within manufacturing systems like maintenance and production resource planning and cost structures. Berlin for Engineering. GmbH was founded on a simple but powerful insight. Many industrial companies struggle not because of a lack of effort, but because of a gap between engineering potential and operational execution. With over 30 years of hands-on experience in managing heavy industry operations, we understand the real-world challenges manufacturers face: rising costs, inefficient processes, and underutilized resources. Our journey began in the heart of Berlin, where we set out to bridge that gap. Today, we partner with factories across Europe and the Middle East, delivering tailored engineering management solutions that drive measurable results. Once we evaluate your plant's current performance, we deliver customized continuous improvement strategies focused on optimizing throughput and capacity utilization, reducing waste and non-value-added activities, enhancing cross-functional workflows between production, maintenance, and planning. Our goal is not just to consult, but to drive measurable improvements in productivity, cost efficiency, and operational excellence. Let's transform your factory into a high-performance operation. Our clients love our work. With a 95% satisfaction rate, we consistently exceed expectations in KPIs results. On average, our designs lead to a 40% increase in overall equipment effectiveness. By leveraging key performance indicators, tools, and workflows, we decrease the product's manufacturing cost 20% less than industry averages without compromising on quality. At Berlin for Engineering GmbH, we believe that operational excellence drives sustainable growth. We turn deep industrial insights into actionable strategies, transforming complex manufacturing challenges into high-performance operations that evolve with your business long into the future. Ready to optimize your operations and reduce production costs? Let's talk. Berlin for Engineering. GmbH Berlin, Germany. Berlin for Engineering GmbH. Precision. Performance. Progress.